Preparing the lower Y bars. This is for the Y-axis in the lower part of the frame. So adding the brackets and the screws and the nuts. So each bracket consists of 2 screws, 2 washers and 2 nuts, T-nuts, and a 20-28 big bracket. So we're gonna end up with this. On the top rails, I'm now preparing these ones. On the top ones, I'm probably gonna wait with the lower corner brackets. We can add those later. Also same procedure with the X profiles, preparing them first with the brackets and whatnot, and then adding everything together.